Autofanatic here. I'm going to do another review of a new product that was recently introduced by Adams Polishes, their Echo Wheel Cleaner. Apparently they may have seen my videos, and other people may have been complaining about the wheel cleaners that activate with the iron from the brake dust on the wheels, and it changes colors, ruins the brake caliper hardware, smells toxic, it's going to kill you, it's going to ruin my driveway. That's what the contractor said. So they came out with this new product, and it's an environmentally friendly wheel cleaning solution. It's pH formula that is direct release to the environment, approved, and breaks down road grime and wheel contamination. It says it allows for a wider working area, breaks down brake dust, road grime, and dirt. Safe on painted, powder-coated, anodized, clear-coated, and chrome wheels. Okay. Instructions: clean one wheel at a time, rinse wheel with a powerful blast from the hose, which we already did. Spray the surface liberally with the wheel cleaner. After the cleaner is applied to the wheel, agitate with a wheel brush or wheel woolly, which I'm going to do here. Like I said, so for the last number of months, I've been using the Griot's Garage Original Wheel Cleaner. I got 2 gallons of this stuff in stock. It works. The scent is not the greatest, but like I said, it's safe, it's non-toxic, it's been around forever, and it's harmless. It has not caused my issues with the brake squeal, which I had really bad months back, which I fixed, and you guys saw the video on that. And the wheels do have a lot of built-up brake dust because it rained. And we're going to give this new Echo Wheel Cleaner a shot, and we're going to see, is it equivalent to what I'm using? Is it better? I don't know. I'm hoping that it may be better. Maybe it smells better, maybe it works better. So let's move the camera around and give it a shot. Alright guys, for this test I'm not going to use the solo sprayer, I'm not going to use the shirt shot sprayer, I'm not going to use a foamer. Like I said, because some of you guys don't have that stuff, let's just be fair. Let's use the Echo Wheel Cleaner as it comes from Adams Polishes. So the wheel's already been hosed down, and we're just give it a spritz, and we'll see how this stuff smells as it kicks back. As far as consistency, it seems very similar to the Griot's Garage Original. As far as the scent, I don't know if it's me, but this stuff smells like baby powder. It's definitely not bad. I would say this is probably going to be equivalent to the Griot's Original. And from the way it goes on, you know, the sudsing action that I'm getting with the wheel woolly, and what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the other wheel with the other product I've been using, and then we're going to pretty much compare and contrast to see, is it similar, is one better than the other, or are they a pretty much close tie. Right now, I'm going to be honest with you, I think they're probably a close tie, and it's going to come down to preference of scent, brand loyalty, and cost. Okay, that's always going to be a factor. So let's hose that wheel off and see how we did. Actually, before we do that, I'm going to go inside the lugs. And like I said, I'm not going crazy. This is just a demonstration for you guys, just to compare and contrast to see what's going on here. Okay, here we go. So it looks like it did really well. You guys could probably see that in the camera, how it broke up the dirt, and you know, there's nothing on there. It definitely did its job. It's got a really nice slick after finish when you're done. I gotta say, this is a good product. I like it. I'm glad they actually may have watched my video or listened to other customers complaining about the color changing stuff and the smell and everything else. But like I said, if you maintain your car regularly, you don't need stuff like that. You know, just do the job, spray it on, agitate. I mean, you know, I don't think there's going to be any magic product that's going to take away the user interface between detailing a car. I'm sorry, ceramic coatings are not going to do it. Wheel cleaners are not going to do it. If you think you're going to hose anything on the car and come right off without drying and all that, maybe in the future, science and technology will come out with something. But right now, if you're into taking care of your car, it becomes part of a ritual for some. And I enjoy it, just the way a lot of you guys, millions of people out there love it. And that's why, like I said, we're on a quest to always test products and see what works best for our lives and our process and, for each application. So I'm going to move over to the back of the car. I'm going to shoot the wheel down with the Griot's original and give you my final thoughts. Alright guys, we're at the back wheel and I'm using the Griot's Garage original wheel cleaner and their spray bottles. I got to tell you one thing, man, their spray bottles are pretty damn good. I like them a lot. Now, this product definitely has a stronger chemical suffocant type smell. I feel it in my throat right now. It's not as bad as the color changing stuff, but if I was going to compare that right now from spraying the Adams Echo, I think the Adams Echo, to me, has less of a chemical, caustic inhalation experience than this stuff. But like I said, this stuff is pretty safe, but when it blows back at you, you start to get a whiff of that. It gets in your nose and you start inhaling that stuff, and you go to bed at night sometimes. I mean, I know that I do, and I can actually still smell it, and that's what just really annoys me. But overall, I think the Adams Echo wheel cleaner works just as good, if not better. Believe it or not, I'm not seeing a lot of brown brake dust being built up and broken up in here as much as the front wheel. But overall, I think they work very, very similar. And if I was to judge this on which one I think I'm going to use, I would probably say the Adams Echo wheel cleaner. It's an outstanding product. So let me just grab it. So this stuff here, guys, it just came out. As soon as it came out, I ordered it up. And like I said, I'm telling you right now, like I'm sitting here and I still have a little bit of that Griot's original scent coming at me. I didn't get that at all using this in the front. So I bought a small bottle to test it out. I absolutely really like it. I'm going to go back at my desk and I'm going to order up a gallon of this stuff. So Adams, looks like you just earned me back as a customer. I actually like this product a lot. I like the scent. I like the cleaning action. And, the safer you guys can make stuff out there, the better it is for the consumer. And I'm glad some of my videos, they create a little disruption and, people are watching. I mean, companies are watching this stuff. And it just makes companies go back to the drawing board and come out with a better solution and a better product. And I got to say, man, this is good. I like it. I highly recommend it. And I think I'm going to start using this from here on in. So, like I said, this stuff is crazy, this market. There's products coming out every other week. And, manufacturers are constantly trying to best themselves and best the competition and, do everything else. But for me, I want something that's effective, doesn't have a strong scent, and is least caustic to my hands and my lungs. And I think this is probably a pretty damn good solution. So I'm going to go back in. I'm going to order a gallon of this stuff. Moving forward, you're probably going to see me using, this stuff in the videos. And I actually thought when I saw it online that it was the same as the Griot's. But you can see there's a difference in color. The Griot's is a hell of a lot stronger in scent. Wow. Now that I'm sitting here talking to you guys, I can really feel it. So I gotta get this wheel hosed off. And those are my final thoughts, man. Pick up the Adams Echo wheel cleaner. Pick up a small bottle. It's cheap. Try it out for yourself. If it works good, pick up a gallon. I think this is gonna be a game changer for some of you guys that don't want to have that color changing, toxic stuff. And if they're saying it's eco-friendly, it's not going to cause rust and corrosion on any of your brake hardware and increase rust on your cast iron rotor faces. So hope you guys like these this quick demo. And any questions, comments, post them below. If you guys started using this, post some feedback. I think you guys are going to have the same results I had. And I think it's a great product. So go get some of this. Adams Echo Wheel Cleaner. You heard it here first. autofanatic@yahoo.com. Take care.